makuthiwa uphethwe mhlawumbe kuthiwa izindlu zakho kunamatshe, kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi kwenziwe ama-tests, kwenziwe ama-x-rays, ultrasound, kwenziwe ezinye izithombe ezinkulu kuthiwa ama-CT scan, ukuthi kuqalwe ukuthi la matshe, what is the burden, how much kidney stones are there in the kidneys. That's the first thing. So, and that is an overall principle. You have to understand what izinto kuthiwa ziyakhula. Okay. Uma uya clinic noma uya esibhedlela, the number one goal is to find out what zigula kangakanani. Makuthiwa amatshe, we have to get the stone burden, to a stone burden. See, izinto zithwele kangakanani. The size of the kidneys, the stones, the number of kidney stones. Akuphi la amatshe. Ahlele ngaphakathi kwizinto. Njengoba ahlele ngaphakathi kwizinto, izinto ziyakwazi ukuthi sichithwe siyenze siyakhe umchamo. Noma sekukhona la izinto ziyablockeka. Amatshe lawa mhlawumbe amanye asehlile, asehlele ngaphakathi kwezinye. And how big are the stones? The same with njalo kanjalo ke uthathwa negazi alithi. Uthathwa igazi kuthiwa leli gazi liyo-check-a ukuthi izinto zamuntu lo sikhuluma ngaye ke patient, how well are the kidneys working? Uthathwa igazi, uthathwa umchamo, check on blood pressure. Kucheckwe uyahlolwa umzimba wohlolwe, ngisho uhlolwa nesikhulu, ngoba umuntu uma ugula uphethe izinto kahle umuntu awubhali, ayikho into ezofika umuntu afike eklinika abhalwe la ukuthi mina ngiphethwe izinto. Cha. So umuntu uma usutholile ukuthi hayi ngigula kanje, into ofanele yenziwe number one is to find out ukuthi le izinto zigula, is it something that is surgical? Iyodinga ukuthi uhlinze, hambe eklinik la mhlawumbe ukuthintwa checkwe izinto kwenziwe ama-operation, noma into ehambisana namaphilisi nemjovo kuphela. Mawusowazi lokho-ke uzohanjiswa uyiswe the right clinic, uzoya kwiklinik noma esibhedlela noma i-department right, correct, the right place to deal with the problem. Akufanele ukuthi umuntu wesilisa njalo kufanele ukuphushwa umuntu wesimame oyena ophushayo hamba uye eklinik uchame igazi nesichenene, ukhalile wathi kubuhlungu kodwa usahlele.